You must have seen in Instagram this type of AI video which you can create through using Kaiber, but there's some error showing due to high load. So I will show you a new website where you can exactly create creative and interesting image like it. So don't skip any step or otherwise it will be difficult for you to understand. So to create this AI video, you need to first go to Google Chrome and type Genemo. Then after going to their website, you need to create an account. So you can see this is the interface and I have already created an account. And after that, click create. Then now you have to give a prompt to the server. For example, I have given a boy jumping in the field. After that, click on generate and it will take some time, and after that you can see the final output. So here it is showing 50% and after that you can see the final outcome. And the second step is in the left down you will see tick button. Click on that and after that it will transfer it to next page. That is where you can generate video and it will give some settings. For example, increase the duration of the video. I have kept 0.2 second. And after that you will see the final output. It's looking so amazing, right? So till then, bye, take care. I hope you like it.
They're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change.